As a natural process, whenever infection occurs, our body produces antibodies against the virus or pathogen. There is a lag period varying from a few days to 2 weeks for the antibodies to appear after exposure. Thus, the best time to get tested to detect antibodies is 3 weeks after infection. In COVID infection, we can conduct antibody test in 2 stages. One for testing exposure to the virus, and second checking for immunity against the virus. The first stage test, which is known as total antibody test, detects whether the person has been exposed to the virus or not. This test uses the strongest part of the virus, known as nucleocapsid protein, and detects total antibodies developed in blood of the infected person. If the test result is negative, it means he has not been exposed to the virus until now and he is susceptible to getting infection and therefore should be careful. If the person comes out to be positive, it means that the person has been exposed to the virus and was infected in the recent past. The point to be noted here is that this test will only tell us whether or not the person was exposed to the virus. That is, he was infected but probably did not come to know as he was without any symptoms of COVID infection like cough, fever or breathlessness. In COVID infection, asymptomatic exposure appears to be common. In the event that a person has had symptoms and was found positive by RT-PCR, he can directly go for the second test after 3 weeks of infection. The second stage test is for immunity, as it detects IgG antibodies against spike protein. Virus enters the cell by spike protein binding to ACE2 receptors, and antibodies against spike protein will prevent entry of the virus into our cells. This test will clearly spell out if the person has developed protective immunity against the virus. Even if positive on both the above serological antibody tests, we should still not lower our guard and continue to practice social distancing, wear mask in public, should not assemble in closed spaces, must wash our hands with soap and water, secure in the knowledge that for us the worst is over.